Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the LG 34WR50QC-B 34-inch ultra-wide QHD curved monitor, a display built to boost both productivity and entertainment in one clean setup. This monitor features a 3440x 1440 resolution with a 21:9 aspect ratio, giving you significantly more screen space compared to a standard display. The 1800R curve gently wraps around your field of view, making multitasking feel more natural and immersive, whether you're working on spreadsheets, editing content, or watching movies. Color performance is solid as well, with high sRGB coverage and HDR10 support that deliver vibrant, accurate visuals for creative tasks and everyday media consumption. The picture-by-picture feature allows you to connect two devices at once and view them side by side, which is perfect for streamlining workflow. For gaming, AMD FreeSync helps reduce screen tearing, while features like Dynamic Action Sync and Black Stabilizer enhance clarity during fast-paced scenes. The 100Hz refresh rate isn't built for hardcore competitive gaming, but it's smooth enough for casual play and daily use. Overall, this is a versatile ultra-wide monitor that balances workspace efficiency and entertainment nicely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.